Everyone, I said I wasn't going to show you how I'm going to change my Y carriage plate to put the new one on. But here's my Anycubic. It's all torn apart now. And this is in addition to the last video I made when I said that my Y rods were not parallel. I didn't mean level, but parallel. And I said I think it was because this printer was dropped when I got it. And that twisted this whole box. And you got to remember, this box is the frame. It's the one that sets everything. So I have this on a glass cutting board, which, because I make cakes, so I have this piece of glass which is nice and flat. And you can see how unlevel this box is. So essentially this whole box is twisted. So this corner and that corner are lower than that corner and this corner. So I've got to take this whole box and twist it again. So I have to twist it across this axis here. Anyway, I'm going to fix this. If you have problems bed leveling your Anycubic, this might be your problem. There's lots of other problems trying to bed level this printer, but this is my big problem. Anyway, I'm going to fix this, and then I'll show you the new Y carriage plate. So I'm back. I just finished tweaking this chassis, and basically all I did was I took a broom pole, laid it on a concrete floor across from here to here, and I pushed down on this end and this end, which tweaked the chassis to lower these two ends, and now you can see that it doesn't wobble anymore. No wobble whatsoever. In fact, if I put in my original video, when I put this washer underneath the leg here, in order to make this stop wobbling, I now have to take this washer out in order to keep this thing from wobbling. So I'm going to put this all back together, and let's see if these Y rods are parallel now.